Hey there, it's Joe Karns here with Forward Progress, and today we're going to go over how to post your blog. In this case, we're going to use as an example the Forward Progress website. And like any WordPress-based website, what you do to get there is type in the URL. In this case, forwardprogress.net. We're going to do a /WP admin. What that stands for is WordPress Administrator Panel. So URL /WP admin is the URL you'll go to get in. And I'm going to log out here so you can see what you would see, which is this. So your particular login is going to be whatever has been set up for you, and talk to your boss if you don't know what that is. Okay, so back to, oops, there we go. Now once you're logged in, you're going to want to go to Posts, and these are all the blog posts on your website. So for example, there's two different reasons why we would be posting something. For the Forward Progress website, it is going to be either because we're posting an event that's upcoming and hasn't happened yet, or it's going to be for a standard blog post. For today, we're going to talk about just doing a standard blog post. So you would hit the Add New right here next to Posts button, and then you're going to see a screen that is the edit screen for WordPress. So first thing you do, you sample. Put in your title at the top. Your text goes here. If you want to, you probably have a few paragraphs. If you want to insert a photo, it's quite simple. You just put your cursor right here, click this button that says Upload Insert. You want to find wherever your photo is on your computer. Let's just use this big one here as an example. And you can specify the dimensions. We're going to make it real small. We're going to have it show on the right-hand side, like you see there. Two more things. In the right-hand sidebar, you have categories. So whatever the most appropriate category, let's say it's growing your business, is what this post is about, you'd click that. And then down here for the tags, you want to put in any relevant keywords or phrases that describe what this is all about. So this is going to be a sample post, it's going to be a forward progress, your name, what forward progress, and this is all about. It's social media marketing. You might put LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, build your business, and then just hit return. Just make sure there's a comma in between each one of those so that when you hit return, they'll all show up as input properly. So remember the two reasons we talked about why you would be posting something is either to put a standard blog on the website, which is what this is, or to have an event be posted. If it was an event, there's two different things you would need to do. You would first go down here and click this alternate URL. This is going to be the link to Eventbrite or wherever the link is that you want the user directed to once they click on this particular post. But for us, it's going to be just go to its new internal WordPress page. The other thing is the date. So we're going to publish this immediately because this is a regular post. If this was an event, the event would be happening in the future. So what you would do is type in, okay, let's say it's going to happen on December 15th at 1 o'clock. We're going to put December 15th, 1 o'clock, and if we were to hit OK, it would not show this new event after this particular date, but it would show between now and this date. So it makes sense if you think about it. What this date tells the system, if this were an event post, is when is the event so that we can automatically take this down after this time on this date. But remember, that's not what we're doing here. We're just doing a regular post. So we're going to hit cancel. So it's going to be published immediately. And then the last thing you do, once you're all set, is you click publish. And it's now live. So if we were to go to view post, it would show the actual new post on live on the website. Now I'm going to go back because we don't want that to show up because it's just an example. And here it is right here. We're going to click trash, or you could change it to a draft, but now that is gone. So that's all for today. You now know how to post a new blog article on a WordPress-based website. And to find out more about Forward Progress, go to www.forwardprogress.net. This is Joe signing off. Bye-bye.